Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, November 24th, 1999, 8 am. To follow up on what we have said yesterday, there is nothing to suppress in these messages. In the future, before deleting and eliminating what you will deem superfluous, ask your heart calmly before doing anything. There are often answers to the questions you ask yourselves or to the comments you exchange with others. As for what you are writing, you are doing it under our impulse in a state where you are spaced out. All has its raison d'etre. Read again my autobiography. How do you react when reading certain passages? You have to learn to read between the lines and put yourself well into the situation. Otherwise, you will find them insignificant, even uninteresting. For anything relating to spirituality, do not stick to the intellect. Use it the least possible. Try to grasp inwardly what emanates from the lines you read. Learn how to decode certain signs which you cannot detect immediately. Use your inner eyes, they will help you to seize well all the nuances. Throughout your lifetime, you have learned how to function and react according to the education, the academic background you have received. You have been under the influence of your pervading environment. Try to interiorize yourself and to develop another way of saving, of understanding, and of seizing that which has often escaped you. Be vigilant, and a sixth sense outside the social frame will help you to have a more correct approach to things. Babuji. Wednesday, November 24th, 1999, 10 am. Do not neglect your health. Your body is entitled to certain attentions. It is a precious vehicle which must be treated with care. You must consider with respect what was given to you, even if you do not have an athlete's stamina and an iron constitution. To let you cope with the incarnation, everything has been well thought out. Therefore, you should accept what you are physically, intellectually, and socially. Everything contributes to putting you in real life situations to make you advance, especially if you cooperate. You should realize well that superiority as such does not exist except on the surface. You should never overestimate yourself in comparison with others. Each part of the puzzle has its own importance in the construction of the whole. Nothing more. The smallest is indispensable to the whole. If you belong to the elite, rejoice moderately by considering well what we have just said. Play your part. You will be asked for explanations, or rather it is you who will provide them. Make sure that the scales are accurate and even. A head of the state, a king, a fabulously rich industry tycoon is nonetheless a man like others with his weaknesses, and let us hope he has a heart, a soul driven by true aspirations of going towards the celestial greatness. Babuji.